2025 was a big year for Clean My Space and for me. I announced my divorce, I announced my move, I moved, I got divorced, but we also covered a bunch of other things on the channel. And while I feel like I haven't been as present as I could be in my work, I had to obviously attend to some stuff going on in my life, I still think that we managed to put out some pretty great stuff this year. I'm gonna cover some of my favorite videos and your favorite videos down below, just as a little refresher. So if you haven't seen these, I really wanna draw your attention to them before the year runs out. And by the way, knowing that I'm here and able to help the Clean My Space community, that kept me going. So thank you for that. That being said, 2026 is gonna be epic. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. And if this is your first time tuning into the Clean My Space channel, welcome. I realize that I just threw a lot at you, but make sure that you subscribe if you want cleaning, decluttering, and organizing videos coming into your feed. First up, and I think this goes without saying, my divorce announcement video. Everybody loves a good little drama hit on YouTube, and I don't think mine was very dramatic, but it was a big announcement. So if you haven't seen that, I've got that for you down below. You might notice that I don't wear my engagement ring anymore, and you might notice that Chad is not in the videos the way he used to be. And that is because we are getting divorced. I can say I feel I'm in a better place now, about the divorce and about Chad and everything that's been going on. And it's exciting at the same time. Like, I've kind of enjoyed living alone and doing my own things. Next up, I did a video on everything that magic erasers can clean. Magic erasers are a really powerful cleaning kind of product and tool built into one. If you haven't seen this, I want you to check it out. What is a magic eraser? Well, technically speaking, a magic eraser is made from melamine or melamine foam resin, which is a fine abrasive material. Where I think the magic eraser really shines, no pun intended, is in the kitchen, specifically in greasy, grimy areas like toaster ovens, and ranges. For example, if you have a gas cooktop or even a glass or ceramic cooktop, this is going to be your cleaning bestie. Mold is something that a lot of people deal with at home, and it can be really hard to know how to handle it, how to get rid of it, and how to prevent it from coming back into your house. We put a video out about this, and if you have any mold issues or you want some preventative maintenance ideas, check that video out. In this video, we're gonna talk about where you will find mold, how mold grows, and how to deal with it once and for all, because there is a permanent and effective solution, and I want you to know what it is so that you don't have to deal with mold anymore. You need what's called a biocide, something that is going to get rid of mold and mold spores. And this is not bleach. You want to use something that is purpose-built, and if you've watched Clean My Space long enough, or if you and I have had any form of conversation about it, you know the next word out of my mouth. It's concrobium. We also did some research into a topic we had all been curious about here at the Clean My Space team, and that is old people smell. Is it a myth or is it a fact? This video uncovers it all. There is scientific evidence for this old person smell. In fact, there's even a Japanese word for this. It's kare-ishu, and that translates into the smell of gaining years. Now, this isn't a hygiene issue. This is actually a biological issue. As we age, our body changes, and this smell just comes off of us. So in this video, we're gonna talk about what old people smell is all about, what you can do about it, what you just need to accept, and how you can prevent it from emanating from your home. Now, I put out a series documenting my entire move, from packing up the old house to moving in and renovating, kind of decorating and setting up this one. And while it's still a work in progress, if you want to see that whole transformation, I've got that in the description box. Today, I'm gonna tell the story of this house, kind of walk you through it, and say goodbye to it with you. We squeezed the most out of this house that we possibly could, and we are leaving it with many good memories. Obviously, I'm settled into my new house. Woo! And I'm feeling much more comfortable and grounded, but the past year was really hard. And let me tell you, Packing to move is one thing. Packing to move out of a house when you've built a life with someone for the past almost 2 decades, that's entirely different. And this is the beautiful family room that is off the kitchen. And what I love about this space is how well lit and how open it is. It just makes it so unbelievably welcoming. People can gather at the breakfast table, which is right that way, at the bar stool situation, which is right over here. It's just perfect for entertaining, like what everyone says in every home show. You've probably seen OxiClean in grocery stores or big box stores for years and wondered, is OxiClean right for me? Well, let me tell you, it is. And I've got a video all about it, including a really amazing real-time transformation. And you can see that in the OxiClean video. Now, OxiClean isn't magic, but it is pretty close. It can clean and remove stains from so many different things. The secret is that you have to know how to use it the right way.
OxiClean really nails it in the bathroom. So I whipped up my solution here, and I'm using this around grout lines and around the area where the toilet is. It tends to get discolored for various reasons.
And here's an issue that just about everyone deals with at one point or another. A funky smell coming from your house, and you just don't know what it is or where it's coming from. We're gonna nail that one down together. If you walk into a space and it smells bad or funky or off or questionable, all of a sudden, all of the alarm bells are going off in our head. Is something dirty? Is something wrong?
There are 3 odor absorbers that are easy to come by, inexpensive, and gentle. They are white vinegar, baking soda, and activated charcoal.
Just to give you a quick recap, I started a cleaning business in 2006. I started making YouTube videos here about cleaning in 2012. We're heading into 2026, and I have no interest in stopping what I'm doing. We are only getting better. So let me know in the comments down below what kind of videos you want to see in 2026 from Clean My Space. How can I help you? Help me help you in the comments down below. If you like what we do here at Clean My Space, you can consider becoming a member. And if you want product recommendations and cleaning tips sent straight to your inbox, you can become a subscriber to the Dirty Dish newsletter. Now I'm sitting in the office of my new home, and if you would like to see the entire transformation of my new home, you can check out the whole new house series. It's right over there. And remember, if you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe to the Clean My Space channel. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.